Dear student, in this video we are going to evaluate the percentage of a given number. So let us see how we can do this. So our first question is 20% of 650. So what is the meaning of percent? Meaning of percent is equal to a fraction that is equal to 1 over 100. So our question is 20% of 650. Here I solve. The solution is there. Now 20% of 650. Now what is the meaning of 20%? 20 over 100. Okay. Of 650. Now you see here you will cancel this 0 with this 0 and this 0 with this 0. So you can write it again 20 of 650 by 100, right? Now I will cancel the extreme 0 here and this extreme 0 here. Now what I left with 2 of 65. Now 2 of 65, we need to multiply 65 by 2. So 65 when multiplied by 2, that is 130. So the answer is 130. So I can write 20% of 650 is 130. Now we are on the second question. Here you see now 140% of 75. It means 140% of 75. Now what is the meaning of percentage? The meaning of percentage is 140 over 100 of 75. Now you see it means 140 of 75 over 100. Right? Now I shall cancel the extreme 0. This 0 and this 0 will cancel. Now 14 of 75 by 10. Now I multiply 75 by 14. This is 1010. 1050 over 10. Now I will cancel the extreme 0. That is 105 is my answer. Now we will find the 25% of 1 by 8. Now 25% of 1 over 8. Now 25%, it means 25 over 100 of 1 by 8. Now you see you will multiply here 25 with 1 and 100 by 8. So you see it will be 25 over 800. How? You see 25 multiply with 1, that is 25, and 100 multiply with 8, that is 800, right? Now this is 25 over 800. Now both 25 and 800 are divisible on the table of 5. So I will divide this by 5 and this by 5. 25 divided by 5, the answer is 5. And 800 is divided by 5, you see. $160. Now 5 and 160 both are divided by 5. 5 divided by 5, that is 1, and 160 divided by 5, 32. So my answer is 32. Now we are on question 4.5% of 60. So what is the meaning of 4.5? The meaning of 4.5% is 45 over 10% of 60 centimeter. Now 45 over 10%, it means 45 over 10 multiply 100 of 60 centimeter. Now we shall multiply, firstly I will cancel this 0 with this 0, so I left with 45 of 6 over 10 into 10, that is 100. Now 45 of 10 means multiply 45 by 6. 45 of 6 is mean to multiply themselves. $270. So 270 in the numerator and 100 is in the denominator. So what I left with, cancelling the extreme 0, I got 27 over 10. So it can be represented in the decimal fraction. So 2.7 is my answer. But you know the unit is there, centimeter. So I will write the unit with this. So 2.7 centimeter is my answer. Now here you see this is 7.5% of rupees 56. So what is the meaning of 7.5? 2 multiply 7 plus 1. So 14 plus 1 by 2, that is 15 by 2. So in place of 7.5 I can write 15 over 2. So solution is 7.5% of rupees 56, that is equal to 15 by 2% of rupees 56. Now you can see that 15 over 2 multiply 100 of rupees 56. Now 15 of 56 over 2 multiply 100, that is 200. The unit is rupees. So I will multiply 56 with 15. This is 840. So rupees 840 over 200. Now the extreme 0 will cancel. So I left with 84 over 20. Now both are divisible on the table of 2. So I will divide by 2. Now the answer is 84 when divided by 2, that is 42. And 20 is divided by 2, that is 10. Okay, so my fraction is 42 over 10. So I can write it in the decimal 4.2. So this is the answer. Dear student, now we are going to solve this sum. Here in this sum, 60% of 1 year we have to find. Now dear student, you know that this is 1 year. Now I can convert this into days. So 1 year has 365 days or 366 days in case of leap year. So I will discuss both the cases here. So first of all, I will take this year is a normal year. It means 1 year is equal to 365 days. Right? Now 60% of 1 year, that is 60% of 365 days. Now it means 60 over 100 of 365 days. Now you see 60 of 365 over 100 days. Now I will cancel the extreme 0 here. Now 6 multiply 365. So 365 multiplied with 6. So this is 2190 over 10 days. So 219 days. Right? This is the answer. Now I will consider this as a leap year. Here I will consider this 1 year is equal to 366 days. So 60% of 1 year, it means 60% of 366 days. 60% of 366 days. Now 60 of 366 over 100 days. Now you see 6 of 366 over 10. Now I multiply 366 by 6. You see 2196 over 10 days. Now I will convert this into decimal. 219.6 days. So dear student, I can consider here there are how many days? 219 full days and 6 by 10 of the other day. Okay, so these are the explanation of these questions. Dear student, if you are satisfied and understand the questions in our video, then please subscribe our channel and share to the others for the basic concepts of percentage and same type of videos on our channel.